Welcome back to cooking every single recipe in the official Stardew Valley Cookbook. Today we're making tomka soup. Don't forget to subscribe and vote for what I make next in the comments below. You're going to start by making the shrimp stock. You don't need to peel the things like I did because you're using it for stock, but you're going to start by quartering one small yellow onion, and you're going to smash 4 cloves of garlic, except I use shallots for this recipe. Now, in a medium saucepan over medium heat, you're going to combine both of your cut things along with a tablespoon of peppercorns and a pound of shrimp shells, and you're going to stir it until the shrimp shells turn orange, and then you're going to add 2 cups of water, bring it up to a boil, and then turn it down to low, put a lid over it, and let it simmer for 30 minutes. And obviously keep the shrimp, we're going to use it for the tomka soup. Now onto the prep for the tomka soup. You're going to want to first take 2 lemongrass stalks and you're going to cut them each 3 inches from the bottom. Then you're going to cut them horizontally so they're now you're going to cut them vertically in half. And then you're going to hit them with the back of your knife so then they release more flavor into the soup. Now you're going to grab 12 ounces of fresh brown shimji mushrooms, left whole, or cremini mushrooms, quartered. So what you just do is you break off the stalks and then you just cut them into quarters for this one. And then I also use some other mushrooms that I just cut the bottom, the fibrous bottoms off. And then you set those aside for now. Now, in another medium saucepan, over medium heat, you're going to combine your lemongrass, 6 lime leaves, a 2-inch piece of galangal, just cut into 1/4-inch rounds. If you don't have that, you can combine about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice with ginger cut into 1/4-inch rounds. That also works. Then you're going to combine 2 cups of shrimp stock after you've strained out all of the bits and bobs, and 2 cups of water, and you're going to then bring them to a boil, reduce the heat, and simmer partially covered with a lid for 15 minutes. Then you're going to remove the lid, stir in 2 to 4 bird's eye chilies, halved as desired, whichever way you want, and simmer for another 15 minutes. Now in the same pot, you're going to add your mushrooms, 2 3/4 cups unsweetened coconut milk, a 1/3 cup fish sauce, a tablespoon packed palm sugar, and 4 garlic cloves thinly sliced, which I again use shallots for. And then you're going to bring it back up to a simmer, and you're going to simmer it for another 12 to 15 minutes until the mushroom and garlic are tender. Now you're going to lightly season your pound of shrimp with kosher salt, and then you're going to add it to your broth and cook, stirring frequently for about 4 minutes until the shrimp are all the way cooked through. They should be brown and a opaque white on the inside. Then you're going to add, finally, you're going to add a 1/3 cup of lime juice, stir it, and then you're going to taste it, and you want it to be a nice blend between sweet, spicy, and sour. And once that's done, you just ladle into bowls, and bada bing, bada boom, you got a tasty meal. This was so good. I hate coconut, as previously mentioned, but you can't even taste the coconut. It's so flavorful. The broth is a little too flavorful when you're trying to drink it on its own, but everything else is so good. I don't even care. This is at least a 9 out of 10.